Searching for Make Money Online on YouTube, you probably find tons of videos promising quick cash and fast success. But here's the deal. Things that come too fast usually don't last, and it's hard for someone without skills to make them work. So in this video, we'll focus on the best side hustles for people who are ready to put in some real work. We're talking about practical, no-fuss side jobs that need effort, determination, and a little skill. If you're up for the challenge, the rewards can be great. Let's dive into a straightforward list of the top 8 side hustles for those ready to work hard and see real results. First up, trash can cleaning. It might sound gross and something no one wants to do, but that's exactly why it's a goldmine. Most people hate dealing with dirty, smelly trash cans, especially after a hot summer day. That's where you come in as the hero they didn't know they needed. Starting this business is pretty simple. All you need is a washer, a sprayer with disinfectant, and a bit of elbow grease. Cleaning a trash can usually costs around $10, so if you can clean 50 cans a day, that's $500 in your pocket. It might not be glamorous, but it's straightforward and repeatable, with constant demand. To get started, advertise in local Facebook groups, hand out flyers in your neighborhood, or even team up with local waste management companies to offer your services directly to their customers. I also have a video on how to make money with Google Maps. You can use the tips from that video to find potential customers for your new trash can cleaning business. Next up, gutter cleaning. Turning cleaning into cash. It might not be glamorous, but there's always a need for it. Clogged gutters can cause serious damage to homes, making this maintenance task something homeowners are willing to pay for. This side hustle requires minimal equipment, just a ladder, a leaf blower, and maybe some gloves. You can charge around 80 cents per foot for gutter cleaning, and with an average house having about 200 feet of gutters, you can earn around $160 per job. Experienced cleaners can finish a job in an hour or two, making it a quick way to earn money. Once you have a steady stream of customers, you could even hire extra help to do the work, allowing you to focus on finding new clients. To boost your income, consider offering additional services like window cleaning, or combining this with the trash can cleaning we talked about earlier. These extra services can quickly turn a $160 job into a $300 or more workday. And let's be honest, there's something really satisfying about cleaning gutters and knowing you've just saved a home from potential water damage. Third on our list is power washing, a great way to make money by using high-pressure water to clean surfaces like driveways, sidewalks, decks, and houses. It's one of those jobs where you can see the results of your hard work right away. Getting started is pretty straightforward. If you're serious about growing this side hustle, you can buy an electric power washer for around $100 or a gas-powered one if you need more power. If you're new to this, start by offering free services to friends and family just to practice and get feedback on your work. Once you're confident, you can advertise your services by posting flyers in local areas or sharing in local Facebook groups. Focus on delivering high-quality work, and your satisfied customers will start recommending you to others. With this approach, you could easily make around $500 a day. And the best part is you get to work outdoors, enjoying fresh air instead of being stuck in an office for 8 hours a day. Next up, painting house numbers on curbs. It might not be the first thing you think of, but it's a super easy side hustle to start. All you need is a stencil and some spray paint to offer this service. Homeowners really appreciate this service because it's practical and makes their homes look great. You can charge between $50 and $100 for each job, and since each job only takes about 20 minutes, you'll see your earnings add up quickly. The initial investment is low, and if you're unsure whether this will work, you can start by offering your services door-to-door in local neighborhoods or advertising in community groups. This side hustle works especially well in suburban areas where homes have visible curbs and addresses. It's also easy to upsell if you combine it with other services mentioned earlier, which can help cut down on your marketing costs. Number 5. Mobile car detailing. Many people are so busy that they don't have time to take care of their beloved cars. That's where mobile car detailing comes in. It's a great side hustle with a relatively low startup cost. You can begin with a basic cleaning kit, which you can find on Amazon for around $150. If you're a car enthusiast, you might already have most of the equipment you need. The key to success in this side hustle is offering top-notch service and upselling additional services like engine cleaning, tire shining, or protective coatings. A standard detailing job usually costs around $200 for a 4-door sedan, but you can charge more for larger vehicles or extra services. With the potential to make $500 a day just by detailing a few cars, this side hustle could quickly turn into a full-time gig if you're dedicated and build a loyal customer base. Number 6, dog waste removal. Many dog owners are so busy that they just don't have the time or energy to clean up after their pets. This might sound like a dirty job, but it's actually quite profitable. You can start with a simple pooper scooper for about $17 and a few trash bags. You can charge a fixed weekly fee for cleaning, usually between $10 to $15 depending on the size of the yard and the number of dogs. Do a great job and your clients will likely spread the word in their dog-loving communities. With a steady stream of customers, you could easily make a few $100s a week. To get started, check out pet groups on Facebook, drop flyers at pet stores and vet clinics, or offer a free first cleanup to attract clients. Number 7, lawn mowing service. Lawn mowing is a service that's always in demand, especially in suburban and residential areas. It's a job that requires good physical health and some basic equipment like a lawnmower, leaf blower, and a few garden tools. The cost to invest in a lawnmower is around $150, and a leaf blower is about $50. You can also combine this with dog poop cleanup services to save on travel time and marketing costs. To find customers, you can advertise just like with any other service. Once you build up a steady client base, you might consider hiring a few helpers and turning this into a full-fledged business for yourself. Number 8, gift wrapping or event planning. If you're creative, gift wrapping or event planning can be a great opportunity. People often need help with wrapping gifts and organizing events, especially during holidays and special occasions. This job can involve preparing gifts, decorating, and arranging all the little details. Start by reaching out to friends and family who have upcoming birthdays, offering them a discounted rate to gain experience. You can also contact local businesses to offer your services. Many people need help with special occasions, and you could be their go-to person. The initial investment for materials like wrapping paper and decorations is quite low, around $200. This could be a great chance for you to earn some extra money while doing something you enjoy. The key to success with any side hustle is consistency, dedication, and a willingness to go the extra mile for your customers. These jobs might not be glamorous, but they're in high demand and can offer steady rewards for those who are willing to put in the effort. In my previous video, I also shared 5 side hustles students can start in 2024. If you're into the internet world, check it out for more interesting side hustle ideas. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel.